Some of my hobbies are camping, brushing up on my survival skills, modeling, and not modeling isn't like look at me modeling, but modeling is like model cars. I met him through John, my friend that worked here. Told me we needed another good tech, so I came over and talked to him, and I've been with Saul since. Oh, I've been interested in cars my entire life. My grandpa used to have a shop out by his house, and my Uncle Mac used to build a lot of really cool stuff. And then I had a stepdad who was a diesel mechanic, and I started learning from him, picking up bits and pieces from there. So really got into it about 15 and have been doing it ever since. I kind of specialize in cars. I know a lot of people might find that funny, but I have the ability to be able to do really big jobs, look at something and figure out the best way to do it, even though the computer might say do it this way. I can actually do it faster doing it a different way. I like working on higher end cars. I have a Ferrari torn down over there right now that I'm doing. But our bread and butter is the everyday cars that people drive. So just being able to get in and wrench on a car, I feel is a pretty good day. I tell you, one of the things that I like working here, the best about working here is the people. There's a lot of good people that work here, and it's very rare you can come into a shop, especially one this big that employs this many people, and just feel like you're part of the family. And a lot of these people, I've worked with them long enough that they are my family. I've worked with them quite a long time. The amount of volume that we do, we're always super busy, so that's really nice. You're not always sitting around twiddling your thumbs. And again, probably the higher end cars that we actually get to see and get to work on a daily basis. I have been in situations myself where I've had car issues and not been able to fix them. One of the main reasons I actually got into turning wrenches and mechanicking is because of my mom and my two older sisters. Hearing them go to mechanic shops and just getting worked over by dishonest people. I'm gonna learn how to do that just because I know that my mom and my sisters and my grandma aren't the only ones in that situation. So having an honest tech, an honest mechanic to be able to look at your car and tell you what it actually needs as opposed to trying to sell you a bunch of crap that it doesn't need, I feel is important. My goal for the future is to one day run a shop, either of my own or of Saul's. Hopefully that comes to fruition. This is the quality of work that we do. We are very honest here. We're not going to sell you something that you don't need. And if it's something that you feel that you don't need, we can show you why it does need it. The people that work here are great. They're always going to be super helpful. We're trustworthy people, and we stand behind our work. So that's a huge thing when it comes to anybody in the mechanics world. So, having a good quality tech, good quality people up front, good parts, good service. I'm Mike Rote, and I can't wait to work on your car. Here's Saul's Auto Tech.